Okay, Robin, tahan na dun.
Good morning, Baguio. It is our day 2. It is very cold. Listen to the sound of the birds. It's very cold. 16 degrees Celsius over here.
So, what are we gonna do today? We
We're
have
gonna
a
go
lot
to
of activities.
many places. Camp John Hay, Botanical Garden, many more. I cannot name.
Okay, breathe in the morning of Baguio.
Breathe in, breathe out. Very cold.
Super.
The view is breathtaking.
Yes, so, see you later.
See you later. We are now gonna eat
Prep-
breakfast, get ready, then I'll vlog later. Bye-bye!
And now they are preparing our breakfast. I'll take over muna the vlog. Habang busy pa si Kian. And then others are sleeping. And yan, prepare na sila ng breakfast. At dito ang may-ari ng vlog. And now,
Still very cold.
still very cold in the morning. So,
Perfect view.
yes. Ayan, maliwan. Perfect morning. Ayan, maliwanag. So, marami tayong activities today, boss.
Camp John Hay.
Dito ka ho. Pila ng manok. Camp John Hay, Secret Garden. Inside Camp John Hay din yun. The Mansion,
Right Park.
Right Park, Botanical Garden, Mines View, pa ba? Diplomat Hotel. If you're not scared. Kahit outside lang tayo.
Diplomat Hotel is very haunted.
Tapos Artisan Village, doon lang din yun. Basta marami tayong activities today, so maaga tayong aalis. Bawal mapagod si Kian. Another view from the top. Perfect view talaga to. Tinutuluyan namin dito. Right, bossing?
Yeah. So, see you later in my next vlog. We're gonna be going to the next destination. Bye!